Hi, this is Carter from the Awkward Styles team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping profiles for your store on Shopify. The first thing you'll want to do is check the shipping page on Awkward Styles. Since Awkward Styles will handle all of the production, shipping, and delivery of your products, it's important to check the shipping costs per product and region here. Once you have this information, log into your admin account on Shopify and go to Settings. Select Shipping and Delivery, and under Custom Shipping Rates, click on Create New Profile. Now type a name for your shipping profile. Your customers won't be able to see this, but it will help you identify your profile. Next, click on Add Products, and select all the products you want the shipping rates we're about to create to be applied to. Now let's create the shipping zones for the regions where we want to send our products. For this example, let's create a shipping zone for the US, which we'll call Domestic. Let's also create a shipping zone to send packages to the rest of the world. Now that we've added our shipping zones, let's add shipping rates for our store by clicking on Add Rate. Now let's head back to the shipping page to check the shipping price for t-shirts. As you can see, it's $4 in the US and $9.99 worldwide. So we'll create a standard shipping rate for $4 in our domestic zone. If you've accounted for the shipping costs in your product's retail price and want to leave shipping free, you can do that as well. You can also add extra conditions based on item weight or order price, but we'll leave this blank. Now let's add a rate for when we ship out to the rest of the world. We'll add another standard rate of $9.99. Once you've finished setting up your shipping rates, be sure to save all your changes. All your products on Shopify will now have shipping rates, and you can start sending out packages with Awkward Styles. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.